What is up everyone, I am Mike. And welcome back to Top Crypto. And in today's video, we are going to talk about Enso Finance crypto project. But before we begin, please be advised by our disclaimer, since I'm not a financial advisor, so this video is for informational and educational purposes only. So, without further ado, let us begin. What is Enso Finance? Enso was started from an experience that most of us share, having a friend who was good at finding alpha, be it in new tokens, undervalued tokens, or high-yielding farms. Typically, we would pool funds with the friend, which led to a massive coordination effort, numerous Google Sheets, and calculations and recalculations of everyone's shares. Enso Finance is the first permissionless social trading protocol for decentralized finance, DeFi. We recently completed our private sale raising over $5 million. This capital will enable us to build the infrastructure that will pave the way for the next explosion in crypto, social trading. In time, traders will have infinite possibilities to create new strategies including batch buying, yield farming, and meta strategies. We started working on the concept of Enso back in the summer of 2020. The concept behind Enso, the team, and the platform are driven by 6 core principles. Do not rebuild. Do not build walled gardens. Produce the soil for entirely new ecosystems. Do not take custody. You keep it. Do not empower financial institutions. Empower yourself. Do not limit integrations. Promote them. Do not shill. Put your money where your mouth is. Ensuring safety. In December we announced our liquidity migration event on 6 protocols and a timeline for conducting the migration. By announcing the migration date, we indirectly announced the mainnet launch of the Enso platform. Driven by ambition and excitement for the public launch of the Enso platform, we failed to incorporate sufficient timeline buffers for unforeseen bugs prior to deployment. With the Enso platform, we aspire to provide a social trading application for DeFi natives. To build a platform for the decade to come and to cover social trading for all DeFi and L1 coins involves certain security risks if deployed without proper security measures in place. Security is one of the key pillars for the success of the Enso platform and vital for building trust within the community. We have demonstrated ongoing transparency with the community through various blog articles and provided explanations for decisions that were made. The decision to extend the liquidity migration event and subsequently postpone the launch of the Enso platform was not made lightly. However, it's in the project's and ultimately users' best interest to take a security-first launch approach. By rescheduling the time of the launch, rewards for participants in the liquidity migration event will be extended as well. NFTs will remain mintable and users who stick around for the whole journey aren't going unnoticed. Enso and DeFi 2.0. Projects such as Olympus DAO, Tokamak, Fei, and Alchemix have started to alter the relationship between a protocol and its liquidity providers. As a result, protocol-controlled value (PCV) has changed how projects create value for their community and manage the longevity of the project. The Enso platform enables DeFi 2.0 protocols, strategists, DAOs and syndicates to develop new and even more efficient ways of capital deployment. It does this by having the flexibility to steer liquidity to the most needed bonds, while yield farming any unused funds at the same time. Further build out of platform's social features. We are taking social interaction functionalities on the platform to the next level, creating even more interaction possibilities between the users and the community and building trust and reputation in the process. One example of this is a social score with full communication between users of the platform. Let's show you Enso's roadmap. In favor of a security-first approach, we are announcing the extension of the liquidity migration event and to reschedule the Enso mainnet launch. Our multi-step approach for a safer deployment is as follows. Make contracts public. Publish audit from chain security. Bug bounty number 1. Bug bounty number 2. Testnet of Enso. Deploy Enso mainnet for public use. Migrate funds from Vampire Attack to Enso mainnet. And here I introduce to you some of Enso's team members. Connor Howe, Scottish not British. Peter Phillips, the gardener. Motzi, the godfather. And many more. And now let us take a quick look at Enso's Twitter page. We can see at its pinned tweet that states, "The Enso Arcade is live. Enter now." Enso joined Twitter last year's January, and it currently has 17.7k followers. And if you wish to be updated more about Enso's latest tweets, be sure to visit their Twitter page, and also don't forget to follow to stay updated. And that is all for Enso Finance crypto project. Come visit our channel, subscribe and watch out for our next videos here at Top Crypto. Thank you for watching.